my number one question that people ask me is, what is my healthy obsession? So I would have to say that is celery juice. I'm sure a lot of you at home have been seeing the craze of celery juice all over the internet, and it's really powerful, and that's really because people are seeing amazing, amazing results by drinking celery juice properly, which means drinking it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. So I normally take about five.
What are the
So they are.
differences?
So basically, it's great for anti-inflammatory. It's great for optimal digestion. It clears up your skin. People are seeing benefits when it comes to their migraines, when it comes to their IBS.
Wow.
Yeah, it's actually very, very powerful when consumed on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. And it's quite easy to make. I just cut up the stalks. I usually start with about 5, 6, or 7, depending on how much I'm drinking.
And you do this first thing in the morning?
First thing in the morning. And if one's starting out with this, you can start with about 6 to 8 ounces of juice in the morning and work your way up to about 16 ounces. But when I first started doing this, I saw insane improvements on day 7. I'm not gonna lie, day 4 and 3 were a little, I had my skin was acting up and I was like, oh gosh, what's going on? But it's really
Toxins
because
are working their way
they're
out.
coming out.
Right.
And so by day 7, I was like, wow, the glow is real, people. So you're gonna blend that up.
Hannah, can you do this ahead, or you have to make this fresh every morning for the full benefit?
You can do it ahead, but I would say that the juice probably only lasts really for 2 days in the fridge.
Gotcha.
I think doing it fresh, honestly, it doesn't take very long. And
It smells good.
It does smell good. And to
I just don't want my husband and my dog to be really mad at me because I get up sometimes many hours before them.
Oh, right, and it's loud.
They might not like
Sure.
It will separate, though. It will separate.
And then you just give it a
separates.
little
Okay.
stir. And a lot of people are like, well, I'm afraid of the taste of celery. Tastes weird, blah, blah. I'm like, well, you can add a little bit of lemon squeeze at the top. But really, it just tastes like a little bit like a...
You get used to it.
Yeah,
it's
just
refreshing.
just like
It pairs
water
well with
a little bit of a green
It pairs
taste.
well with what? Vodka?
gin.
Does it?
Yeah.
Does
In my
it?
book, I have a
See?
gin celery cocktail.
I
See
love
how
that.
Here we are.
I
can
love
finish
that
his
so much.
sentences.
I use superfoods in my cocktails in my book as well. I think it's a great way to balance
See, this
out
is why I love
what you're
both of
doing
you.
with the alcohol.
Now everybody here is gonna go home and have a martini, a celery martini when they get home tonight.
I love that.
It's refreshing.
Yes, it is definitely
Delicious.
refreshing. It also is really good with sustained energy. People are seeing
great.
a lot of reduction in coffee by drinking celery juice first thing in the morning.
I love that.
Yeah, which is great because we all know that everyone's addicted to coffee. People are really trying to stick to 1 cup a day. So that actually, this could help you kind of get there.
To wean yourself from that.
Yes.